Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. It's Cortis, right? Cortis. Their new hype label boy group coming out, known as Big Hit NBG, new boy group. Oh, okay. Upcoming 5 members: South Korea, Big Hit Music, Martin, James, Juhoon, Songhyun, and Kyonho. All right, this is a pre-debut that's coming out. That just came out. Hello, we are Cortis is their thing. The acronym of for color outside the lines. Oh, that's interesting. It signifies thinking freely, breaking free from the world's established standards and rules. Is it gonna break free from sounding like pop? I don't know. What does that mean? Like just coloring outside the line? I know what color outside the lines means, but whoa, Martin. Okay, so this is the leader. 2008. God damn, I'm old. What is that shirt? Okay, he look cool. I like how it looks. Not that I like looking at it, but I like the style. Sometimes I be looking at the fashion and I kind of want it, but I can't pull it off. My God. Martin Edwards Park, leader, March 20th, 2008, Pisces. 5'11". Oh, he's Canadian Korean. God dang. 5'11". Okay. Let's go. All right, James. Damn, James. Okay. You got all on the bench. You know what I'm saying? James, 2005, Libra, Rooster. He's Thai and Chinese. Oh, wow. Born in Hong Kong. He was a former member of trainee group Trainee A. I see. He speaks Chinese, Korean, Thai, and English. We got Juhoon. All right. Oh, is that... Okay, that's an interesting shirt. 2008. Oh, my God. Capricorn. This is just making me feel like in Lolo, aka Grandpa. Okay, born in Seoul, South Korea. Okay, Sunghyun. Interesting. Oh, it's just a beanie. Okay, 2009. Damn. All right. Don't play that. Don't play that music. What's your name? Kyonho? 2009, Maknae, Aquarius. Okay. He finds older members weird, but in a good way. Low-key a backhanded compliment. You weird, but in a good way. I'm like, okay. I think I said that before. All right. Source of Martin's leader position. It was only speculated as his name was written first. However, his leader position was later officially confirmed. Okay, so he's the leader. All right. Well, that's my research. Cortis, go! Exclamation point. Let's do we need captions? Yeah, I guess so. Without further ado, let's check them out. Hype boy group in Hype. Is it Hype or Big Hit? It's Hype labels, right? Let me double check. What was it again? Let me go back. They said Big Hit Music, but is that the same? Is it the same? No, it's not the same, bro. I'm like, from there was Big Hit group under Big Hit Music. Okay, group under Big Hit Music, which isn't Hype an umbrella? Can someone correct me? Okay. Anyways, Cortis, go. Let's get it. Let's go. Let's begin. This is their pre-debut. They come out later in the month, I think. Oh, it's like one of those old TVs. Oh, is it gonna hit the corner? Where's it going? No, it's not gonna hit that. Bow. Oh, idiots and Cortis. Damn, they were zooming. Hold up. Hey. What is this? Is this like filmed by them? We make new shit? definitely a bounce on there. I definitely bouncing on that. Like the beat. Like. Pull up to the studio with your pants up. Pull those pants up, boy. Pull your pants up, young man. What handshake they doing? Pull up to the studio with our pants low. Here we go. Got the hat back to the. Hey. Interesting songs for a pre-debut. That beat so heavy. That synth. Dang, they zoom in. Is this LA? Where they at? Hey. Okay. Oh. What is this Attack on Titan looking? What? Wanna make a hit like a hitman, so I reload. They blurred out the Coca-Cola. As they should. Oh, trippy little transition right there. Where are they? Oh, Figueroa. Okay, so they are LA. Downtown. What? It's attached to a freaking license plate that says something. It definitely has to be an Easter egg too. Not in traffic. That's crazy. That has to be fake. Why I feel like I've been in this park. Also, interesting transition. I like that. That's so simple too. Low key, I low-key did a transition in my DPR documentary. Similar to this. That's cool. Yeah, like the door opening. Ah, let's go. I'm me hyping myself up. As you should. Interesting. Okay, so for our first listen, I messed with the beat heavy. It's interesting. I can see why this is a pre-debut though too. It's just like a more vibey, like bump in the car type of song. Cause I didn't know what to expect. You know what I'm saying? What is this? What? Whose nose am I in? Tall as hell. So Martin is this guy. Tall 5'11" mother effer, right? He tall as shit, my boy. I'm sorry. It's just like because they're young and they taller than me, bro. It's like when every time I work with like a group or something like that, I just like, dang. Where did my height go? How the hell my family, my father's lineage is all over 6 foot? Where? What genetic did I get? I think that's why my mom thinks I'm just full Filipino. Anyways, that was a different tangent. I'm so sorry. Interesting shot right here too. Bro, I swear. Dead ass? I swear I've seen this place while looking for parking. Cause parking in LA is ass cheeks, bro. I swear I've seen this. Looking for a freaking street parking to go visit a friend. They came out with how many what do you call it, songs are out right now? Is this the only song? I feel like this is the type of song that a frat boy would like. I can see that. But no, man. This is just a vibe. I don't know what, just one? Okay. They definitely got my attention. I think Cortis definitely got my attention. They're hella young, so like I didn't expect what for them to create. I don't know. I kind of like this vibe, if I'm being honest. I really do enjoy this vibe. Because I mean, as rookie groups, I don't know what to expect, what to get, whether they're gonna do like go hard or do something like, you know, like young and fresh or cutesy, you know. And they're young kids and they're just a new group under Big Hit, so definitely some pressure for sure. It is a pre-debut song, so I will not make a full opinion on them yet, though I was vibing with the song. Yeah, you put it in the comments down below if you're watching this on YouTube. Sorry if you're not here watching it on Twitch with us, but put in the comments down below what you guys think. Like this video, share this video, and subscribe. It's your boy Dre. Keep on dreaming, dream, believe, do, repeat. If you have a dream out there, put some hard work to it, it might just come true. Ooh. I'll see you guys the next time. Peace.
Hey, you better subscribe.
Yo, be sure to join Patreon. You can become a free member or subscribe for adults to access more content. Check out my reaction to K-Pop Demon Hunters. We reacted to Squid Game Season 3. We're checking out a bunch of animes. We also upload first listens here, some exclusive reactions to K-Pop comebacks. You already know I reacted to EXO Kitty, and I know Season 3 is coming up soon. So be sure to click the link to my Patreon and become a member now. If you want more content, catch me on Twitch on JREAMERS. I'm there every day.